and welcome back to the 12 Days of Ukulele Christmas Challenge that we are doing this month. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. That was cheesy. Let's get started. Who cares? There are two places where you will have to switch chords quickly. So let's just tackle those first, because if we can do that, the rest of the song is easy peasy. So the first part is where we get, we have to switch from C to F, C to G, and finish. Let's give each one of those 4 beats first, just to practice the switch, and then we'll speed it up and speed it up. So here we go, 4 beats each. 1, 2, C, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Now let's go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's cut that in half and give each one 2 beats. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, like that. And the best way to master this is to always think about the next chord with your mind and with your hands. Your hands should kind of be ready for the next chord. If your hands are over here, it's not going to happen. Your hands need to be curved and close. So I'm holding C, but look, my hand is already ready for F. And then when I go back to C, my ring finger is already there. And then when I go to G, do you see what I'm saying? Like, think about the next one with your mind and your hands. Here we go. 1, 2, 2 beats each. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so please practice that and then come back once you're ready. The next part where we have some quick switches is D minor, G, C. D minor, G, C. Okay, so let's try that. 1, 2, 1 beat each. 1 switch, 1 switch, 1. Try again. You can do this, you can do this. Don't give up on me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 switch, 1 switch, 1. Okay, so I'm gonna do that whole phrase because oddly enough, those switches are in the same phrase. Let me slow it down so you can hear what it sounds like, and then I'll invite you to try it with me. That's it. You will get on the first, okay? So it's a quick jump into it. If you notice there, I was not doing a strumming pattern. What I'm focusing on right now is landing the chord on the lyric that it's on top of. And this is how you should tackle any song that looks really complicated at first. So let's try that again. Let's try that again. You can do this. Let's try again. I know that's a challenge, but we couldn't do the 12 Days of Ukulele without this song, right? So rest real quick, massage the fingertips, pause here if you need to, and remember that YouTube gives you the settings option to slow a video down. It's either at the top or at the bottom corners, depending what device you're on. Now on the next phrase, the chords change a little bit. Well, the chords don't change. Actually, it's the new phrase that comes in because you get 5 gold rings. And so when you get 5 gold rings, you have C chord, D, and then G. The nice thing is that those switches are pretty slow because you're already playing C from the words before. And then you switch to D for gold, and then G for 4 beats. So that's a pretty nice switch. Okay, on the 5th day, things change. So let me play it for you the first time, and then we'll do it together, and then we'll do it together again. So we'll have 3 tries at this. The first time I'm showing it to you, but if you feel like you're advanced enough to play, go ahead. If not, just listen. Okay? Okay, try it this time. Even if you have to skip a few chords, that's okay. Try it. C chord, F, D, G. Probably the most difficult part is landing that G after the 2 turtle doves, because I don't know, to me it feels a little unnatural, but when I hear it, it sounds right? So that's that part that goes like this. Okay, so we have 2 turtle doves. Okay, let's try that again. I think we can do this. To continue days 7 through 12, all you have to do is repeat the part 6 to the end. And of course you add the lyrics before it, but everything else is repeated chords. Have fun with this one, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!